Hi and welcome to the channel. If Microsoft Word isn't checking your spelling or grammar properly, or you're not sure how to fix mistakes efficiently, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. I'll show you how to check spelling and grammar, fix common issues, and make sure your document is accurate and professional. So, Microsoft Word includes built-in tools to check spelling, spelling mistakes, grammar issues, writing clarity, and suggestions. So if I begin to type and I don't quite get some words right, you'll see that everything starts to be flagged up in blue or in red. Now what you'll have to do if you want to go through this as you type is to simply click on the word. It will then come up with suggestions from which you can pick from. Or if you choose to ignore it because it's a word that you'd like to keep because it's something a little bit different or it's a brand name, you can select ignore all. Additionally, if you're going to use this word again, and I'll show you this in a little while, is to add it to the dictionary. Or you've got additional options here. So if I click here, you've got these additional options as well. So if I select this word here, you can see that it's corrected it for me, and it's also corrected this one because this now makes sense in terms of the grammar. Again, if I click on this one, it has no suggestions because it doesn't understand what the word means. So this will enable you to just simply have highlighted it, to go back and simply correct the word, or of course delete it. That's as you're typing. If you want to then go through your document and review everything, as you can see here, there's lots of spelling mistakes. If you want to go through it and review it at the end, then you simply go up to the review tab at the top here. Then go to spelling and grammar, and then you can choose either just to look at the spelling or the spelling and the grammar. So let's choose spelling and grammar. What you'll find is the little dialog box opens up here, and then it will highlight the word that's incorrect. And in this case, we've got a grammar issue because we've got this comma after the word video. It will also highlight it over here as well, and then it will give you an option here. Additionally, you can either ignore it or stop checking for this particular mistake. And then you've got other options at the bottom here, similar to what we had before. Other options here, which you can then go down and choose one of these. So to change it, just click on the suggestion, and then again, it will move to the next word. Here you can also see it in context, and it also gives you other options as well. So you can continually go through all of these spelling errors. Just click on them all and Word will simply correct them. But let's say we have something like this, which is a brand name, and we're going to be typing it again. What we can do is go down to Add to Dictionary. So we can click on this, or if we go to the bottom, we can click on it again, go down to this icon here, Add to Dictionary, and click. And you can see the red mark's gone, and we've added that to our dictionary. So you can see here at the top we've got 2 remaining, so then we can move on to the next one by clicking the next arrow. Again, it's come back to this first one because the sentence doesn't make any sense. So we can now click on the suggestion, and it will now tell you that you've finished reviewing editor suggestions, and you can click OK. So sometimes you'll find that things don't work correctly, and it might be because you haven't selected the right language. So go up to review, go to language, and make sure that your language is correct. You can also, at the bottom here, it says about the speller and other proofing tools automatically use dictionaries of the selected language if available. So you can ask it not to check the spelling and grammar because you might be working slightly different language, or you can also check detect language automatically. So make sure that this one isn't checked, because Word won't do any spelling and grammar at all. So that might be one of the reasons that your grammar and spelling is not working. Then click OK. So let's say we had another spelling mistake. We can go to review and go to editor, which is over here. You can see we've got one spelling mistake. We can click on spelling. And when we go into the spelling dialog box, we can go down to the bottom, which says options. And when we go down to the options, it gives you an extra dialog box. And this one is to do with spelling at the top here. And you can read through all the different options here that you can check or uncheck to suit your requirements when you're checking your final edit. So for example, you can ignore all the words in uppercase, or you can choose to ignore words with numbers. And then in the grammar, you can just simply select check the grammar as you type or show readability statistics. You can also look at writing styles and also custom dictionary as well. The other thing that you can do in your document, let's say for example, you've spelt a brand name a number of times in your document and you've realized that you've spelt it incorrectly. What you can do is you can go to edit, you can go to find, and then you can go to replace or advanced find and replace. So if we go to replace, so you'll get this dialog box up here. And then let's just type in the word that we want to find or the brand we want to find. And as you can see, Word has found 3 of these words that you want to change. Just say you've spelt all of these incorrectly. And you can see them in your document highlighted in yellow as well. So go to this box underneath, and this is where you type the correct word in or the correct spelling. And then you can go to either replace all or replace. So you can either replace the one you're on, which is highlighted here as a slightly darker yellow, or you can replace all. We've made 3 replacements and click OK. And then you can see one here, and one up here. It's made those adjustments. And that's a really useful tool if you realise that you've gone in and spelled a particular word incorrectly. And let's say it's one word that you keep spelling incorrectly, you can just make sure it's all spelled correctly by trying to find the incorrect word and then correcting it. So just some final proofreading tips. Even with automatic tools, it's important to review your document carefully. Make sure you read through the document manually, check names and technical terms, and watch for content errors. So spelling and grammar tools in Word can save time and improve the quality of your writing, especially in reports, assignments and professional documents. With the correct settings, you can ensure your work is clear, accurate and ready to share. So I hope this helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe and have a great day.